Hello student, in this video I will introduce about some data types inside the Python. So in Python programming language there are different types of data types are used, but they mainly categorize into different categories. Like the first one is the fundamental type that can be further divided into two categories, the numeric and the non-numeric, where the numeric further categorized into three categories, the integer, floating point number and the complex number. In sequence type, the data are stored into the sequence, so we call them sequence, and the sequence data type are further classified into three categories, the string, list and tuple. And the next one is the set type, which is further classified into two categories, dictionary in the set. So let's go into the Python shell for better understanding. So here I'll show you how to define the variable and how to store the different data types inside this variable and how to print it. So now here I use a variable a. Inside it, if you want to assign the numeric value, so as well as in the previous example we can be type here number with the help of assignment operator. This value is assigned into the variable and press enter. Now to show the result, it will be assigned or not. Type the print command and inside the print constructor pass the variable in which the value is assigned, so which is a here, and press enter and see the result. The integer value is printed. Now if you want to store the floating point number, so floating point number in the decimal number, then press enter and print and type a and press enter and see the result. The floating point number also created and assigned into the same variable, and the value is also updated here. So in the next video I'll explain about the list data type, tuple data type, and so on.